Hey there YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel where we bring you all the latest news and updates on your favorite celebrities and their luxury lifestyle. Today we have something truly exciting for you, a glimpse into the former Oakland and Penthouse of none other than NBA superstar Steve Curry and his wife Aisha. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. But before we dive into the details, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exclusive content. Alright, let's get started. Back in 2012, when Steph Curry was dominating the basketball court as part of the legendary Slaps brothers, he and Aisha decided to invest in a jaw-dropping penthouse right in the heart of downtown Oakland. Can you imagine waking up to breathtaking views of the bay every morning? Talk about luxury living. Yes, the incredible condo spans over 2 floors and the boats whopping 3084 square feet of pure elegance. We step inside prepared to be memorized by the floor to ceiling windows that offer panoramic views of the bay. It is like living in a dream. The open concept kitchen and living room area is perfected for entertaining guests, and the modern design adds a touch of sophistication. Imagine whispering of your favorite meals while enjoying the company of your loved ones and all the good life. Yes, but that is not all. This penthouse also features 3 spacious bedrooms, and each offering its own unique charm. From the master suite with its stunning views of Oakland to the crazy bedrooms perfect for the little ones, every corner of this home exudes comfort and style. Now let's talk about the outdoor spaces. With not 1, not 2, but 3 balconies, you will have plenty of options to soak up the sun and enjoy the fresh air. And if that's not enough, there's even an expensive patio where you can host unforgettable gatherings with your friends and family. Oh, and did I mention the pool and spa? Yes, this building has its own pool and spa for you to relax and unwind after a long day. And if you are the fitness enthusiast, there's also a state-of-the-art fitness and center at your disposal. It's like having the private oasis right at your fingertips. Yes, now you might be wondering why this incredible penthouse is up for sale. Well, as the Curry family grew, so did their real estate ambitions, and they sold stunning condo back in 2014, just before Steve won his first NBA championship and league MVP. Since then, they moved on to the even and more jaw-dropping properties in the Contra Costa country and settled in the luxurious town of. Alright folks, that wraps up our tour of Steve and Aisha Curry's former Oakland penthouse. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below letting us know which celebrity home you would like us to favorite next. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay subscribed for more exclusive content. Until next time, take care and live your best life. Okay, bye.